Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Chat on your phone. The process is pretty simple and straightforward. I'll show you how. Let's get started. First of all, open Play Store if you are on Android device and open App Store if you are on iOS device. I'll open Play Store on my phone. Now this is the homepage of the app, and after you're on the homepage, you'll have to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now type Google Chat on this search bar and press search. Okay, so this is the app we're searching for. Now you'll simply have to tap on that green install option right besides the app's name, and then wait for the app to get installed. Now talking about Google Chat, it is a communication tool designed to provide easy communications within the Google workspace. Okay, our app is almost installed now. Let's wait for a few more seconds and we'll be able to use the app. So as you can see, the app has been installed. Now you'll simply have to tap on the green open option and you'll be directed to the app. Now all you have to do is connect your Gmail account to the app and you're all set to use it. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.